Right now, let's go into the tech side of the market, where Alan Nuckman is looking at Western Digital, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. All right, Alan, happy Monday to you, sir. Good to see you.
Yes.
You're looking to buy Western Digital on what seems to be some support on this chart.
Yeah, well, the theme here today, and actually over the last couple of weeks, is bullish divergence. So we saw the market make new lows, but not new highs in volatility. Now, that's usually a sign that the short sellers are running out of strength. That's happened in a lot of stocks, in today's example as well. But let's talk about some of the big names. It's happened in Facebook, PayPal, Roku, Shopify. So some big names made new lows, but not new highs in volatility. And that's usually the sign of that we could get a bottom bounce. Now, what happened last week? The market was down 1%. That's pretty good in an example of what didn't happen when obviously there was a lot of negative news. So if we look at Western Digital, like you said, it's stuck around 50. It's 35% up its June high of last year. And right now it's trading sideways between 50 and 55. And you're seeing that bullish divergence bottom base, a breakout in this range, target 60.
Okay. So this is finding an underperformer because
right.
The chip makers are actually doing okay. The group as a whole are kind of sitting on some much higher support near their highs. Western Dig down at the lows. So you're just looking for that gap to close a little bit.
Right. And if you look at this stock in the big picture, and I know I've been trading a lot longer than you. You were just referring to that with Alex.
Oh, yeah. No, you go way beyond Alex. The old man.
All right. So this stock has gone from essentially zero in 2000. It was down to $1.95. To 100 in 2018. So the midpoint is 50. So let's look at 50 on a more weekly basis. So what I'm looking to do is play this with an in-the-money option as per this strategy. And we've seen how that strategy, you can find good stocks even in a down market. And Schlumberger had a breakout. Vale's had a continuation of the breakout. EVGO's broken out. So we've taken advantage of that. So this particular play, we're looking at the July option, the 45 call, which is below the low. We've got 4.5 months of time, and if this option has a modest move to the upside, this option has a big gain.
Okay, 45 call for July. Giving yourself some time here. Hopefully the summer doldrums for volatility will set in, and we can see some strength.
As you just talked with Alex, and I love this segment, volatility is opportunity. The bigger the price movement, all we got to do is take a nice chunk out of it. But the bigger the price movement, the more that opportunity to take our solid chunk. And that's what trading is all about.
Okay. Appreciate it, Mr. K. Alan Nuckman, chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Let's continue our discussion about the industrial sector and the variety within. Earlier we discussed Caterpillar, Deere. Now let's talk some of the defense stocks.